Even the best designed navigation will confuse some people. Give your visitors a way of searching your site by keyword. In this video, we will create both a link and a form pointing to Joomla's search component. First, let's create a link to the search component. Go to Menus, Main Menu. From here, click New. We want to point to the search menu item type, so let's click Search. The only layout option available is the search component itself, so click Search again. We're going to give this menu item a title of Search This Site. Now click Save. The Search This Site menu link appears at the bottom of the menu. Let's move it up above the separator we created in an earlier video. Now let's go to the front end. Click Refresh. Search This Site now appears in the menu. Let's click this link. First, let's search for pairs. All of the articles and category descriptions matching pairs are displayed. We have the article pairs, we have an article for seasonal specialties, and then we also have a category with pairs in it. Let's limit this to only show articles with pairs. Check the Search Only Articles box. Then click Search again. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen. You'll notice that now we only have the articles and not the category. You'll notice that there are several search-only filters available for end users. They probably understand what articles are, but they probably don't know what categories and sections are. Let's hide these filters. Go back to the back end. Reopen the Search This Site menu item. Under the parameters, check No under Use Search Areas. Then click Save. Let's go back to the back end. Follow the Search This Site link again, and you'll notice that the search areas are gone. Let's perform a search for pairs again. Now we've performed a search without any filters. All of the articles and categories and sections containing pairs are being displayed. Let's go back to the back end. Now go to Components, Search. We would like to collect some statistics about which items people are searching for. That way, we can go back later and adjust our navigation so that people don't have to use the search as much. Let's click Parameters. Let's turn on Gather Search Statistics. This will slow the performance of the searches, but it will allow us to record what people are searching for. Also note, we're now going to set Show Created Date to Show. This will show people what the created date was on each article as they appear in the results. Now let's click Save. Go back to the front end. Follow the Search This Site link. Now search for vegetables. You'll notice that with the article listing, the created date for the article also appears beneath. Let's do some more searches to fill up the statistics. We'll search for vegetables again. We'll search for fresh. Now let's go back to the back end. Click Refresh. This screen shows us keywords people are searching for. This will allow us to determine where we need to make adjustments to our navigation. Finally, let's create a module people can use to start searches. We don't want them to have to click on the menu item. Go to Extensions, Module Manager. All of the modules currently published in the system are listed here. Let's click New. Now choose Search. It's on the bottom left. We're going to type in a title to help identify our module in the back end. This won't be displayed on the front end. Choose No for Show Title. And now we're going to position this at the very top of the page so that people can find it easily. Now click Apply. Let's go back to the front end. Click Home. You'll notice that the search box is now at the top of the screen. We can use this to launch searches. We'd like to change the text in this box to be slightly more descriptive. Let's go back to the backend to do this. Under module parameters, you can enter the text that appears. Let's type in "search this site." Then click Apply. Now let's go back to the front end and hit refresh. "Search this site" now appears in the box instead of just "search." It disappears when we click inside. Joomla's search component searches data stored across the site. You can link directly to the search component or add a module visitors can use to start searches. Joomla has other components with basic functionality, but there are better alternatives available. Check the modules and extensions chapters for more information.